Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a very exciting unboxing, but I already opened up the outer packaging just because I didn't want to take that into my house. So I opened it up and I was left with this, and we're going to be opening this on my channel. So let's just get to it. If you watched my previous video, you know that I gave a hint for this package. I said it was from Japan, so yeah, let's see what's inside. Right, there's another box inside, but oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. As you can see from the box here, you can probably guess what it is. That's a huge hint for you. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna very carefully open this because I want to see if I can salvage these stickers for my journal. This is such nice packaging. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Here we go. Alright, it's a little envelope here. There's nothing inside, I don't think. Yep, it's just a little freebie envelope. Came with lots of freebies. That's so nice. A Starbucks little baggie. Wow, they really included everything in here. Alright, so I pretty much revealed what I got. Here it is. Let's go. That was a lot of plastic packaging. I don't know if I like that. But here we are. This is so exciting. Alright, you guys, moment of truth. Let's see how it feels. Oh, interesting. Okay, I'm not sure I expected this texture. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh, here it is. Wow. This feels different from what I expected. Just set those aside. Alright, so here it is. This is the Starbucks Reserve Roastery Limited Edition Traveler's Company notebook in the dark brown color. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's got an insert, so this is going to be an addition to my notebook stash, but that's fine. I'm going to be using this for regular journaling. Just your regular blank insert. But wow, look at this. I was not expecting this kind of texture because I have the dark brown in the passport size and they're very different. This is very smooth, the passport size, and then the Starbucks Roastery one feels fuzzy. Feels a lot like my olive. Here you go, here's the olive. They feel very similar. And here's the camel. The camel feels softer to me. So it's interesting that they have different brown leathers. So I got this because I've been wanting a Starbucks Reserve Traveler's Notebook for a really long time. Before I even got my first official Traveler's Company passport size right here. Because I was really into Starbucks Planner a couple of years ago, if you look back at my channel. So I thought that this particular Traveler's Notebook would have been a great addition to my lineup. But I just never got one. I don't know why. But now I decided to get it for my birthday and I'm so happy. I did get the dark brown one because I already have the camel in standard size and I felt like it didn't make sense to me to buy another camel but with the embossing on it. I don't know, that just seems silly to me. And I don't mind the dark brown color at all. It's so beautiful. I really love my dark brown passport, so I didn't mind getting this color. So the inside is very smooth. Seemed to be sanded down, so it's very similar to my olive. I guess my olive is a little bit fuzzier. And then my camel. I would say the olive is the fuzziest for me. And then the camel. And then my dark brown here is the smoothest. So very interesting. Let's see how the inside is compared to my passport one here. Oh, my passport size one is a lot fuzzier than my Starbucks Roastery one. So there you can see the difference. So interesting, very interesting. I guess you do get something different with every edition you get. That's my guess. They are very similar in color. This is so pretty. I do want to change out the elastic to something lighter, maybe the light brown one, just to give it some contrast and interest. I'm not going to be doing that now because I don't have my elastics at the moment, but let's see what kind of charms we can put on the front. There's that. That's an option. And then I also have this from my recent haul. Let's see how that looks. That doesn't look too bad. Yeah, I think that could look good too. And of course, I'm going to be adding beads in the bookmark. That's just my thing with these traveler's notebooks. I love these little bookmark strings they have. because you can add so many things to this. So here's the one on my olive. But now I gotta think what kind of look and feel I want for my dark brown one, because my olive looks very neutral. It's got a neutral charm on the elastic and then neutrals on the bookmark as well. And then my camel one is a lot more colorful, so I've got blues and oranges here in the bookmark as well. And then I got the green elastic on the camel. So you can see these two have really different looks to them. So I have to think about what kind of look and feel I want for my dark brown one. I could leave it like this too, just to keep it sleek and professional as well, if that's the look I'm going for. I am curious about what it would look with my Galen Leather inserts here. So I'm going to be doing that real quick. Alright, so here's what the dark brown looks like with a green Galen Leather insert. This elastic is so tight, my goodness. Alright, so there we go. Just to give you an idea of what that looks like. Okay, and then I'm going to put my brown one in, and this is the regular brown leather that you would find on Galen Leather. This isn't Crazy Horse, this is their smooth brown. Alright, so here's what it looks like with a brown insert. I think I really do prefer the Crazy Horse brown to go with the dark brown Traveler's Company, so here is what it looks like with my Crazy Horse brown insert. This reminds me of a peanut butter cup. So here's the regular brown leather, and it doesn't quite hit the same, does it? What do you guys think? I do like the slight contrast. I guess it does also give off the peanut butter cup look. Which one do you guys think is better? Alright, so let's take a quick look at the freebies, which I have right here. Looks like I got a note. Oh wow, they added this free charm. That's so nice of them. It's bright yellow, so I don't know if I would put it on my dark brown, but maybe my camel. That would go really good with my camel actually. So with the green elastic, let me look here real quick. Yeah, that could work. That would work nicely. Okay, and then what else do we have here? Looks like a little card. Oh, here we go. So here's the name of the Etsy shop. And they sent some tea. Oh, that's so nice of them. I think I will have this tomorrow. And this is a... what is this? I don't know what this is. I guess it's just for decoration, maybe? If somebody knows, please let me know. And, oh, more Starbucks Reserve stickers, embossing. And then what's in here? Free stamps. Let me see. Looks like some more Traveler's Company style stickers and stamps. That's so nice of them to add this. Oh, this is cute. I love this. I'm going to add this to my journal. Some more stamps. So lots of freebies. That's so nice of them. Alright, so I guess that's it for my unboxing. It's not a very long one, but let's have a family picture of everyone. This is my newest baby here. My brown Starbucks Reserve Roastery Traveler's Notebook. I'm so happy I got this. I've been dreaming about getting a Starbucks Reserve Traveler's Notebook for such a long time. And I have one finally, so... Alright, everyone, get in the family picture. I got my passport size here too. So I'm pretty happy with my Traveler's Company collection so far. I don't know if I would be getting the other colors just because I tend to gravitate more towards the earth tone colors. Maybe I'll get the black one if I decide to do a BK custom. I'm still thinking about it though. I'm trying to slow down my purchases this year, so that might be a Christmas present for me. Actually, that's a good idea. Maybe that's something to look forward to for Christmas. Alright, so that is my quick unboxing. I'm running out of memory on my phone, so I'm gonna wrap this up real quick. I will definitely come back for an update on this Traveler's Notebook soon. So if you'd like to see that, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. This is Baba Notes, and I will see you next time. Bye!